Hello class 1, how are you? I hope you all are doing well, isn't it? You are studying at home. So today I am here again with your English literature class. So children, take out your English book. This is new Mulberry book and we were doing chapter 1 of this book, isn't it? And in the previous class we have completed page number 19. So up to this we have completed in the previous class. And today we will start from page number 20. Okay. And children, please take out a pencil and an eraser along with the book. Okay. And open your book at page number 20. Page number is 20. Okay. So it's grammar time today. We will do grammar. Okay. Now see, look at the pictures given below. Here you can see few pictures in this page. So can you name this? Name these pictures? I hope you can. The first one we see here is the picture of a cupboard, isn't it? So it's a cupboard. And the next one, say this is a cat. Next one is house, isn't it? And then the fourth one, we can see a building. It's a school. Clear? Go down, move down. This is an umbrella. This is a cup. This is a girl. And this is the picture of a boy. Okay. So what are all these? These are naming words, isn't it? So cupboard, it's the name of a thing. Then cat, name of an animal. House, name of a place. This way all these are naming words. Clear? Now what are naming words? So naming words are the names given to animals, places, things and people. What are naming words? You'll find in the book itself, see. So naming words are name given to animals, things, places and people. Okay. Now we'll do the exercise. See, number 1, what we have to do here. In this exercise, we have to circle the naming words. Okay. So the question is circle the naming words in the sentences. 5 sentences are given in this page. You have to read the sentence and identify the naming word. Let us do. So, are you all ready with the pencil? Okay, let us start. Number 1, number A is the elephant wants a friend. So, elephant. What is an elephant? Name of an animal. So, here we have to circle animal, that is the name of the animal, that is elephant, and then wants a friend. Again, friend is also a naming word. So here we have to encircle elephant and friend. Do it. Okay. Now we'll move to number B. The frog jumps into the pond. So the frog. Frog is again name of an animal. So we will circle frog, and then where it jumps? It jumps into the pond. Pond is also name of a place. So we will circle frog and jump. And pond in number B. Clear? Come to number C. The lion sleeps in the cave. So lion is again name of an animal. We will circle it because it is naming word. And our question is to circle the naming words. And then cave. Cave, we have to encircle cave also because it's name of a place. Then number D, children go to the school every day. So children is again naming word. We have to encircle children, and school also name of a place, isn't it? So in number D we will encircle children and school. Come to number E, the man with the drum is my father. So man with the drum. So man is common noun, then drum common noun, and again this is father. Okay, all these are what? These are all naming words. Okay, the man is naming word, Drum is naming word and father is also naming word. Clear? Done. Now see children, there are two types of naming words. Okay. One is common name while the others are exact name. So some naming words are common name and some are exact names. So I'll tell this to you. Turn the page we'll move to page number 21. Okay. Now see, common names are the names of people, animal, places and thing in general. So when we talk about some places, animals, people in general, which is common, so it is known as common names. So common names doesn't begin with a capital letter unless it is the first word of the sentence. Now I'll tell you. So common name. For example, if I say boy, girl, okay, man. So these are all common names because I am not specifying a particular boy. I am not talking about a particular boy. It may be any boy. When I say girl, it may be any girl. When I say man, man represents all the men in the world, isn't it? So I am not particular about a person. So these are in general. I am talking about these names in general. So they are common names. And it is not necessary that we have to start the word with a capital letter unless it is the first word of a sentence. Suppose I am starting the sentence with boy. As per the rule of a sentence, then only I will write B capital, use capital B. But if it is not in the beginning, it is in the middle of a sentence, not necessarily we have to write boy, this common noun, with capital letter. The capital letter, the first word of the first letter of the word must not be capital. Clear? If it is in the middle. But if we are starting the sentence with boy, girl or man, as we know that from the rule of writing a sentence, we have to begin a sentence with capital letter. Okay, so remember this in mind. Common noun doesn't always begin with a capital letter unless it is the first word of the sentence. Okay, so these are what? These are the name in general. Okay, now we will move to exact name. We will move to exact name. See, boy. There are many boys in your class. Okay, now suppose I am talking about a particular boy and the name of the boy is Ravi. Now here I am talking about Ravi, a particular boy's name. So it is an exact name. So girl, if I say Sita. Now I am talking about a particular girl whose name is Sita. Isn't it? So it will come under exact name. Okay, and this boy, girl and man, they are common in all. Common in general. Common names. Okay, but when I say Sita, I'm particular about a girl whose name is Sita. So this is an exact name. Okay, this is the difference between common names and exact names. Okay, if I say city, it may be any city of this country. There are many cities in our country. Any city. When I say I live in Delhi, now I am particular about a city. I am talking about a particular city. So it will come under exact name. Okay. Understood the difference between common name and exact name? I hope you have understood it. Okay. So exact names are the special name given to people, places, animals and things. And an exact name begins with a capital letter. Always remember, I have written, see, these names all with capital letter. Exact names always start, the first letter of the word will always start with a capital letter. Okay, so wherever the words are. Okay, maybe in the middle of a sentence, but still we have to write in capital letter. Not necessarily only in the beginning you have to write the first letter of the word with a capital letter. Wherever we put this word, always remember exact names always begins with a capital letter. Clear? Okay, children. So this you will find in page number 21. So see, both of this you have to learn. Okay, clear? Now we will move to look at the pictures. Let us look at some examples of common noun and exact names. Okay, I'll read it for you. See, girl, common names as I have given the example, same way it's given here, common names and exact names. First one, see, girl. When I say girl, it is common name. But when I say Ankita, I'm talking about a particular girl, so exact name. Then boy, same way I said boy here, and in the book it is given Imran. Okay, so I'm talking about a particular boy whose name is Imran. So it's an exact name. Then elephant, elephant in general, but when I say jumbo, jumbo is name of a particular elephant. So it is exact name. Dog, when I say dog, I am talking in general. But when I say Goofy, Goofy is the name of a dog. Okay, so it's an exact name. If I say building, building is common, any building. But when I say Taj Mahal, see the picture of Taj Mahal given here. So Taj Mahal is the name of a particular building. So it's an exact name. Then planet. There are many planets in the solar system. But when I talk about Earth, it becomes an exact name. Now city. As I said, city. I gave you the example of Delhi. Here the example given is Mumbai. City can be any city. But when it becomes exact, it is Mumbai. Mumbai is name of a particular city. Then book. I said book, any book. Okay, if I say take out your book, any book you will take out. But when I say take out an English literature book, New Mulberry book, then you will take out that particular book only. So it becomes a exact name. In the same way here, see, example given book. When I say the Jungle Book, so I am particular about that book. So it becomes an exact name. Okay, I think by this time this is clear to you. Okay, children, you have to read at home. Okay, so that the things will be more clearer to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.